I don't know if you guys have it, like you want to keep your shoes as new at all times, right? But it's impossible, of course, like you need to wear it. So maybe this is my solution, you know, this is gonna be my solution. Why? So I can keep this pair, you know, just for my own collection, just to keep it on the shelf, and then I can actually wear this one outside. This one is the new guy that we have just received today. Bro, this is so cool. My god, take a look at this. Bro, this is so cool. The smell of the rubber is almost identical, but the smell of the leather with the calf hair is different. You all know it when I actually unbox every pair of Rick Owens. I always smell the leather and the rubber sole. Maybe I'll put it next to each other so that you can see. They are from Rick Owens shop itself. I don't know why. So Rick Owens sent me like both the Rick Owens like card tags and also like the dark shadow line here. They put it in the same box. And the only thing, another thing that's different is that they do have the Rick Owens security tag here. And they do, of course, have the Rick Owens, like from the Owens Corp invoice. Like, alright guys, so I think you might be curious like why I'm actually bought like the identical pair. But when you take a look closer, like I'm gonna do it from here as well, you know, so that you guys can see that is actually not the same pair. It's a different pair right here. Look how beautiful it is, like how beautiful these two guys are. Like this one, oh my gosh, I always love this. I always love the calf hair, the pony hair details. Favorite models of Rick Owens, which is, you know, I have a lot. Like I have like the Mega Bumpers, I have like the Ramones, and all of them, you know, tops, high tops, low tops. And I found that this guy is actually very cool. Like it fits with the summer styles, like, you know, it look a bit casual, but also at the same time it's giving a avant-garde vibe. And it's not too much, but it's not too less as well, you know. And I'm so happy that they actually come up with this pony hair, jumbo lace, low versions. So beautiful, man, like so beautiful. And this guy is actually right now on Rick Owens website is 805. I bought it when it was like 800, when it was from spring summer 2025. But this guy is actually from the fall winter 2025 to 2026, which is from the Concord collections. And this guy, the one with the pony hair, it's currently 845 euros. So it's like 40 euros more expensive than this guy, which is now retail for 805. And you can also see there is a different detail here on the labels, the jumbo lace low sneakers, and the code is like, I don't know what does this mean for them. It's like COM63. Wow, this one is like COM790. So on the code is like RU01E5X93, and this one is RU02E1X93. And this one is also different, like maybe it's their SKU or something, like LHLW2. Wow, this one is LCCOW2. But both of them is actually made in Italy. And yeah, the construction on the outside is identical. Like you see the sole, the Rick Owens details here, but the color, I feel like in real eyes, like the color of the laces, I don't know if it's because I wore this one already, so it looks a little bit like faded, like more to the brighter tone than this. This one is more like a bit like milk-ish, like a bit like dirt color, but this one is already like kind of whiter. And of course the only difference of these two guys is the leather. Like this one is with the pony hair, while the other one is like the calf hair. And I think I might be able to switch the insole of the shoes actually. Like I already have this guy, but this guy is like, you know, I feel like, because when I wore it, actually, like you see that there is like a flaws detail on the sole that is worn out when you wore it. And for me, I always have this thing. I don't know if you guys have it, like you want to keep your shoes as new at all times, right? But it's impossible, of course, like you need to wear it. So maybe this is my solution, you know, this is gonna be my solution. Why? So I can keep this pair, you know, just for my own collection, just to keep it on the shelf, and then I can actually wear this one outside. So then problem solved, you know, like problem fixed. I'm happy with my life. I get to have a pair that I really like. Hope I like, problem solved. This guy, I'm gonna wear it, and this guy, I'm gonna put it on the shelf. Wow, I'm still so happy with these two guys. Look at this. He's so cute. He's so cute. Look at this detail up close, man. Like the hair, the laces, the rings, the rubber sole. And I still can't get enough of the smelling, you know, the smell. Like, oh. This is my new kind of, you know, obsessions. Loved it so much, guys. So check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video if you find it, you know, amazing. And if you really enjoy Rick Owens, seeing Rick Owens pair, hit me up in my channel or my Instagram, iam.jckie. DM me, you know, enjoy, engage in the community, in my posts. I would be appreciated. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching my channel, and let's see what's coming next. By the way, I just recently uploaded my video to Paris Fashion Week. Unfortunately, it's in Thai, but I believe you can like choose nowadays you can choose the voice, the sound, to have it auto translate for you in English, or the subtitle in English. That should be fine. All right, so here we go today. I hope you guys have fun, and see you next time. Bye.